Trickle charging is a safe and effective way to maintain your car battery health, especially when the vehicle is not used regularly. By supplying a slow and steady charge, trickle charging helps prevent battery drain and improves performance. The first step is to clean the battery terminals to improve charging efficiency. Start by removing the battery terminal plugs. Then, take a battery cleaning spray and apply it generously to the terminals and plugs, making sure they are fully soaked. Let it sit for a few minutes to loosen any corrosion. After that, use a wire brush to gently scrub the terminals and plugs. Finally, wipe everything clean with a soft microfiber cloth. Once cleaned, your battery terminals are ready for charging. Before charging the battery, make sure to check the battery fluid level. Start by opening the battery caps or cover plate using a screwdriver. Take a quick look at the fluid level inside each cell. If the fluid level is low, it is important to refill it with distilled water, as low fluid levels can damage the battery and reduce charging efficiency. Proper fluid levels help ensure safe charging and extend the life of the battery. The next step is to select a reliable trickle charger. This charger has smart control features that adjust the charging process based on temperature, preventing overcharging in hot climates and undercharging in cold ones. It also has reverse polarity protection, ensuring safe and correct charging at all times. Next, attach the positive clamp of the charger to the positive terminal of the battery. Similarly, attach the black clamp to the negative terminal. Make sure to always connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, to ensure safe charging. The battery charger has a high-efficiency pulse repair function. This feature detects battery sulfation and acid stratification, helping to restore lost battery performance. It also has a large LCD that displays the charging process and battery status. The charger is plug-and-play, meaning there are no complicated steps involved. Simply plug it in and let it do its job. Always place the battery charger in a well-ventilated space while trickle charging. During charging, batteries can release small amounts of gas, and proper airflow helps prevent gas buildup and overheating. Charging in an open, dry, and ventilated area improves safety and ensures the charging process remains stable and efficient. By following the correct steps, you will keep your battery in excellent condition. With regular care and proper charging habits, your car battery will remain reliable and ready whenever you need it.